Amazon Kitchen Finds you actually need. This is the Prepared Hero fire blanket that you can use to put out cooking fires at home. You just have to pull these tabs and then that allows you to quickly smother any type of fire. It's so much easier and less messy to use than a fire extinguisher. It never expires like a fire extinguisher. It can be reused and can be safely stored wherever you need it to be. Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.
Amazon kitchen items we love. First up are these glass spice jars, these oil and vinegar dispensers, these bamboo cabinet shelves to maximize space, this luxe stainless steel knife set that has a sharpener built in. Last is its utensil rest holder.
She ain't got no money, clothes are kinda funny, her hair is kinda wild and free. Oh, but love grows where my rosemary goes, and nobody knows like me. She talks kinda lazy, people think she's crazy, and her life's a mystery. Oh, but love grows where my rosemary.
Genius holiday gift ideas for him. This Scrub King bundle comes with a back, body, and face scrubber, a scalp massager, and holder for each product. How fun is this shower and drink holder, which makes a perfect stocking stuffer. This Harvey Oliver set is one of our favorites, which comes with a fog-resistant mirror and caddy, which is reusable and removable. This Kobe travel bag is a perfect companion to hold all of the essentials. Shop these Toiletry favorites in our Amazon. Create the ultimate gift wrapping station with this deluxe storage bag, which holds up to 14 40-inch rolls, has compartments for bags, tissue, cards, and tags, a spot for scissors, tape, and pens, as well as 2 large zipper compartments and 6 organizers designed for ribbon.
This 8-in-1 nonstick pot also has add-ons to cook up to 3 items at one time, a fry deck perfect when frying food, silicone handle mitts, a built-in strainer so you can skip the colander, a steaming accessory. It's also oven safe, and the wooden spoon is designed to grip and stay on the handle.